guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is Monday, August the 8th. August the 8th, guys, and I've got a topic, a thought in my mind that I want to kind of talk a little bit about. But before we jump into that, because it will kind of surround revenge trading, I want to talk about that topic there. But before we jump into that, guys, I want to thank everyone who has currently subscribed to the channel. As always, I thank all the subs. If you're a newcomer, thank you for however you found the video this morning, and you're sitting here watching the content this morning. I am a price action trader. I trade the ES futures. For all those that don't know, I'm a futures trader. I believe at this point now we have about 288 videos on the channel, somewhere around there, getting close to 290. So I spent a lot of time creating videos, content, and it all started for me just wanting to really just, as a trader, wanted to just kind of record and post videos so I can go back and reflect and look at things as far as my own trading. But in time, I thought about, hey, I'm sure there's someone out there who could be inspired by these videos. So I just went ahead and said, okay, I'm going to upload these videos and make them public. And, we are where we are today. But I just want to continue inspiring people, guys, and helping people along through the videos, whatever the case is. So without that, with that being said, we have a nice crowd or community here on the Discord. We have a Discord community as well, Discord channel. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, I'll show you that right quick. It's a good community, guys. Community filled with solid traders that trade each and every day. And in the community, we pretty much talk about our levels, topics at hand surrounding price points, just various things in regards to as we look at the trading session, trying to figure out what levels we're going to trade from, question and answer type forum. So it's just packed with good, solid traders, okay? Whether you're a beginner, whether you are an experienced level trader, it doesn't matter. If you're a futures trader and you want to join a solid community to where people are helping one another, and it's kind of entertaining because we interact. Even though we're not face to face, we can virtually interact with one another, and you can almost feel the other person's thought and expression and their interest that they're putting into their comments. So with that being said, if you want to join the community, simply find a link down to the Discord down in the description of this video below and invite yourself in. All right, invite yourself in, guys. Okay. So also, if you are interested now, there is also a membership side to the platform, and basically what it is that you're basically just supporting or helping out the channel in a sense. Okay, whatever the case is. I don't have anything to sell is in reference to like courses or doing one-on-one sessions or selling indicators, whatever the case is. This is just a way to give back to the channel, guys. Give back, support a creator who's trying to put out good content, and which I've been doing so because I feel like I've helped a lot of people along because I see it in comments, I see it on the Discord, and I want to continue being able to do that each and every day, is creating this content. Everybody knows time is money. My time is very valuable because outside of trading, I have other things that I do, venture-wise, that I kind of partake in. So I try to get on and do these videos in the morning and join you guys in the morning on Discord and talk about just kind of interact with you guys. And this inspired me. I like doing it. So basically what it is a YouTube membership program that YouTube offers to all across their platform, to all creators. Okay, just a way to give back to supporters who have put in the time to create content that may have helped individuals, whatever the case is. In my case, I am a trader that's wanting to see other people be successful. When I say successful, I mean you could be working a full-time or part-time job right now, and you slowly trying to transition out of that to doing something more permanent with trading, or you stick with the job you have because you love doing that, and you just want to kind of trade it as well as a second revenue or income, whatever the case is. Guys, I'm just sharing what I know, the knowledge that I have, my trading strategy and how I trade it with you guys. And in turn, all I ask is that, you guys join the team by becoming a exclusive member to the channel. And by doing that, all you have to do, I'll show you now, is go to the channel page or click on any video, click the join. And when you click join, all you have to do is choose one of the tiers, either the loyal channel supporter tier, where you get, the perks of having badges, emojis, you get priority to comments, which means that it places your comments above other individuals if you're a member, or you can click on the elite channel members, where you get everything in the first group or everything in the first tier, plus you get early access to videos before they drop, as well as you get exclusive video content, and that exclusive video content would be more detailed and in-depth content surrounding my actual trading, meaning that yes, I've been doing that and posting that in videos before, but in these videos, it'll be more in depth. I'll probably be doing more like kind of doing narratives, doing breakdown points, or breaking the trades down even more, so that, because I believe that if people can really understand and see, and understand my mind frame as far as like when I'm in the seat looking at the charts and looking at price action, studying market structure and things like that, understanding why I'm really trading certain areas, understanding why I'm trading these certain demand and supply zones, and I'll give you the breakdown as to why, what I'm looking at, give you the inside mindset of what I'm thinking while I'm actually trading. So I'm gonna give you a breakdown of my trades so that maybe you get a clear picture, and maybe I just want to put somebody on the fast track, to where they're not having to spin and turn wheels like I did for so much time, roughly a couple of years before I actually clicked and things turned on for me to I was actually able to see it. So I want to be able to see, help people get past that a lot quicker, not having to deal and sit in the middle of, a bunch of mess to trying to figure out things. Okay, I'm trying to show you the clear path in a sense to get you there quicker, and that's simply by following somebody. I'm not saying follow somebody, but actually watching somebody. I'm not gonna say follow. Watch, because I know somebody will be out there and say something about that. But watch somebody who actually trades, the way I trade. You don't have to follow my strategy, but if you're interested in watching, and understanding the way I trade and the strategy I trade, getting the full breakdown, and I'll discuss each one of my levels, give you an inside, in-depth view, then you can join that tier as well, that elite channel members tier for $6.99. Guys, these are like, these I'm not charging, $25 and $30, whatever the case is. This is a small amount to support a creator who's trying to give information, who's trying to give valuable content and posting it pretty much every single day to the community here. The videos won't stop on the public side. I'll continue making videos surrounding, various topics or ideas surrounding trading, whatever the case is, and I'll continue doing some live recorded, when I'm doing my live recorded trading sessions. But I probably won't be spending as much time, because it's tough when you're sitting here trading, and trying to do live recorded sessions as well, and to go back and explain. It's tough. So if you guys do that yourself, just try doing it. Sit back, recording your trades, recording, talking, discussing your trades, giving a full breakdown, as well as trying to entertain a community of people. But also you've got to stay focused on what you're trying to do to make a living. It's tough because you will miss trades, you'll mess up, you'll overthink. So what I'm going to do is, in these videos here, which will be more exclusive to channel members, if you join the elite channel members, membership, I'll be breaking things down in my live recorded sessions more in detail to surround a scope of more so giving you that inside view of what I'm thinking, why I'm thinking it, and why I'm trading at certain levels, okay, or certain areas, okay. So if you're interested in doing that, simply click the join button next to on the home page. Future Trader with Mike. Just go to that channel or go to my channel and simply click on the join button, or you can click on the join button next to on any particular video. Doesn't matter what video it is on the channel. You'll find a join button there on the video. Click on that, or go to the home page, click on join, and just choose one of the tiers, one of the levels, if you're interested in doing so. It'll help support the video content here on the channel. Outside of that, let's see what else. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and jump into the topic now, and that's surrounding the revenge trading. Now, like I said, I'm sure a lot of you have probably been in the same seat that I've been in the past, because we all start from some level. The stories at hand when you hear people talk about, or traders talk about, the obstacles, the things that they had to overcome. It's funny because we all kind of say the same things, and face the same situations at hand. Excuse me. Let me get a sip of water here, guys. Give me 1 second. Okay. But yeah, revenge trading. We all know it's a bad thing, right? Okay. It's one of those psychological things to where it will put you in a bad situation to where you can lose money. And we are not in this business to lose money, but make money, right? And the best way to make money is to do what? Is to understand how the markets move and understand who's pushing the markets and trade like them, which are the market makers, the institutions, the big players in the market, I call them, right? All right. So revenge trading, it's a bad feeling, okay? Because what you're doing is you take a bad trade, and what happens when you take that bad trade, because you may not be focused, it could be something, like I say, in your personal life. I've said this before, that could be bothering you. It could be something from business, from work, outside of trading, maybe you're working somewhere. It could be anything. You could be not feeling well. You could be sick. Whatever it is, I always tell people to step away from the machine, step away from your charts. Take a day or two, mental time. I'm not gonna say mental health time, but some mental time to refocus, to get your mind back right, to get your body back right, to get your spirits uplifted, to get yourself going back again. Is what I'm trying to say. Because this is what affects it all. Okay, without being able to see and feel good about trading, feel good about yourself, you're not going to be able to perform well in the markets. Okay, so what happens is that we take a bad trade because of something that stands in our way. Okay, that could be noise in the background. That could be, like I said, you're just not feeling well. But either way, you take a bad trade, and what ends up happening is that you're like, oh man, instead of what I recommend for people to do, honestly, is that if you take a bad trade and then you follow up again by taking another trade that doesn't work out, whatever the case is, then maybe stop for the day. Stop. Tomorrow's another day, right? So I recommend people doing that, because that's what I used to do in the past. I'll take a bad trade. I say, okay, well, that's my losing trade for the day. If I take another one, then I'm stopping. So 2 bad trades, I'm done, okay? All right, but you got to know where to get out of it because you don't want to take on too much drawdown, right? So, but what happens is people do that and then they start chasing the market, in one trade after another trade after another trade. And, you've already kind of built up an account, or maybe you don't have much to trade, but then you start doing these bad trades or taking on these bad trades, and you start to think, what is this? It's called revenge trading. You're chasing the market. You're allowing yourself to mentally or psychologically start chasing the market. Start allowing the market to beat you up. You're in this boxing match with the market, and it's taking advantage of you, and it's getting ready to TKO you. All right. So that's one thing that you do not want to do is the revenge trading. You do not want to be chasing the markets. Trust me, because they will have their time with you, and they will sit you to the sideline, and you may be out of money, and you may not be able to do it again. So then you're forced to go back over to your job, whatever the case is, or maybe you quit your job already, and now you're forced to go out and find another job just to build your account back up. And it's a cycle. It becomes a cycle. So the revenge trading, stop that today. If you're one out there that's doing revenge trading and you can't sit patiently and think about and stay focused in your trading, then maybe you really need to take a step back, a breather, I don't know, take a vacation or whatever the case is, a mental day to where, you kind of get your mind and your body focused and get things back in order before you start trading again. Because I tell people every single day, this thing is designed, this business trading is designed to take your money. All right, that's the goal, the end goal. So there's only two ways, or two ways I say to go in this business. It's either up or down. Okay, there's no middle. Okay, unless you're breaking even, but that's not the goal. The goal is to make money, not to lose money. All right. So if you feel like you are a person who revenge trades, think about it. Okay, put a parameter in place in your trading plan that basically states that, hey, I take one trade. I didn't do, I wasn't able to make any money in a bad trade, whatever the case is. Don't beat yourself up about it, but maybe take another trade. And if you do get stopped out again or you lose money, whatever the case is, stop for the day. Tomorrow's another day, okay? All right, today may be gloomy, but tomorrow may be sunny, okay? So that's all I wanted to talk about today, guys, and leave you with. If you are, like I said, do not allow the revenge trading to step or take hold in your life, all right? Do away with it today, all right? That's all I have. I'll see you guys in the next video. I will be dropping some more video content this week. Towards the end of this week here, I believe probably Thursday and Friday, I will be taking a little time off because I've been doing so much outside of trading. And I need, there we go again. I need a little time off to kind of, as a reprieve, to kind of get myself back up in order, whatever the case is. So some things I'm having to work on as well. So I need a little bit of downtime to refocus and put my attention on some other things as well. But outside of that, I'm not going anywhere, guys. I'm still pushing to make great video content on this channel to help hopefully inspire and share share the information and knowledge that I've gained over the years and share it with you guys, because I want it to be able to uplift and see you guys becoming successful as well. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, trade safe, goodbye.